Welcome to this channel. In this video, we will be discussing on 10 foods for a happy gut. Boost your microbiome. And we will consider the following points. 1. Introduction to the importance of gut health and the role of the microbiome in overall well-being. 2. Explanation of what the microbiome is and how it affects digestion, immunity, and mood. 3. Highlighting the 10 foods that promote a healthy gut, such as yogurt, kimchi, sarkov, kaffir, kombucha, tempeh, miso, bananas, garlic, and Jerusalem artichokes. 4. Benefit of each food for gut health, including their probiotic content, fiber content, and other nutrients. 5. Tips on incorporating these foods into your diet, including recipe ideas and meal planning strategies. 6. Importance of variety and diversity in gut-friendly foods for optimal microbiome health. 7. Potential side effects or considerations when adding these foods to your diet, especially for individuals with specific dietary restrictions or medical conditions. 8. Conclusions. Before we proceed to look in-depthly to see each point, kindly hit the subscribe button now and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime a new video is dropped on this channel. Thank you. Now let's get back to our discussion for today, which is 10 foods for a happy gut. Boost your microbiome. And the first point is introduction to the importance of gut health and the role of the microbiome in overall well-being. The gut is often referred to as the second brain due to its significant impact on our physical and mental health. It plays a crucial role in digestion, absorption of nutrients, immune system function, and even influences mood and cognitive function. At the center of gut health lies the microbiome, a complex ecosystem of trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria, fungi, and viruses that inhabit our digestive tracts. The microbiome is like a bustling community with different species of microorganisms interacting with each other and with our bodies in various ways. These microorganisms are not passive bystanders. They actively participate in processes such as breakdown food, producing vitamins, regulating inflammation, and defending against harmful pathogens. One of the key roles of the microbiome is in digestion. Certain bacteria in the gut help break down complex carbohydrates, fibers, and other components of food that our own digestive enzymes cannot process. This breakdown releases nutrients that are essential for our health and well-being. Additionally, the microbiome produces short-chain fatty acids, SCFAS, during the fermentation of dietary fibers, which provide energy for the cells lining the colon and have anti-inflammatory properties. Beyond digestion, the microbiome is intricately linked to our immune system. It acts as a barrier, preventing harmful bacteria and toxins from crossing the intestinal lining and entering the bloodstream. Moreover, the gut-associated lymphoid tissue, GALT, GALT, which is a part of the immune system located in the gut, communicates closely with the microbiome to regulate immune responses and tolerance to beneficial bacteria. Furthermore, emerging research suggests that microbiome has a profound impact on mental health and cognitive function. The gut-brain axis is a bidirectional communication system between the gut and the brain, involving neutral, hormonal, and immunological pathways. This means that the health of our gut can influence our mood, stress levels, and even conditions like anxiety and depression. Studies have shown that alterations in the composition of the microbiome are associated with mood disorders and neurological conditions, highlighting the importance of maintaining a healthy gut for overall well-being. Gut health and the microbiome are integral to our overall health and well-being. By nourishing our microbiome with a diverse range of nutrient-rich foods and supporting its balance with healthy lifestyle habits, we can promote optimal digestion, strengthen our immune system, and enhance our mental and emotional resilience. Understanding the importance of gut health empowers us to make informed choices that prioritize the health of this vital ecosystem within us. The second point, which is explanation of what the microbiome is and how it affects digestion, immunity, and mood. The microbiome refers to the diverse community of microorganisms that inhabit our gastrointestinal tract, primarily the colon. This ecosystem is comprised of bacteria, virus, fungi, and other microorganisms. collectively weighing several pounds and containing trillions of individual organisms. While some of these microbes are potentially harmful, the majority are beneficial and play crucial roles in maintaining our health. Digestion. The microbiome is instrumental in the process of digestion. Certain bacteria in the gut produce enzymes that aid in the breakdown of complex carbohydrate fibers and other nutrients that our bodies cannot digest on their own. For example, bacteria such as bacteroids and firmicutes help ferment dietary fibers, releasing short-chain fatty acids (SCFAS) that provide energy for the cells lining the colon. Additionally, the microbiome produces vitamins like vitamin K and B vitamins, which are essential for various physiological functions. Immunity. The relationship between the microbiome and the immune system is intricate and multifaceted. The gut is the home to a significant portion of the body's immune cells, and it is constantly exposed to a myriad of antigens from the environment, including food particles and microorganisms. The microbiome plays a crucial role in training and modulating the immune system, helping it distinguish between harmless substances and pathogens. Beneficial bacteria in the gut help maintain the integrity of the intestinal barrier, preventing the translocation of harmful bacteria and toxins into the bloodstream. Moreover, certain species of gut bacteria produce molecules that have anti-inflammatory properties, helping to regulate immune responses and reduce the risk of chronic inflammation. Mood. The gut-brain axis is a bidirectional communication system between the gut and the brain, involving neutral, hormonal, and immunological pathways. The microbiome plays a pivotal role in this axis, influencing brain function and behavior through various mechanisms. For instance, certain bacteria in the gut produce neurotransmitters such as serotonin and gamma-aminobutyric acid (GABA), which are involved in mood regulation. Additionally, the microbiome produces metabolites that can cross the blood-brain barrier and affect brain function. Disruptions in the composition of the microbiome, known as dysbiosis, have been linked to mood disorders such as anxiety and depression. Conversely, interventions aimed at restoring microbial balance, such as probiotics and dietary changes, have shown promise in improving mood and cognitive function. The microbiome is a dynamic ecosystem within our bodies that profoundly influences digestion, immunity, and mood. By nourishing our microbiome with a diverse range of nutrient-rich foods, practicing good hygiene, and minimizing exposure to factors that disrupt microbial balance, we can support optimal gut health and promote overall well-being. Understanding the intricate interplay between the microbiome and various physiological processes empowers us to take proactive steps towards maintaining a healthy and harmonious relationship with the microbial inhabitant of our guts. The third point, which is highlighting the 10 foods that promote a healthy gut, such as yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, kefir, kombucha, tempeh, miso, bananas, garlic, and Jerusalem artichokes. The first one is yogurt. Yogurt is a fermented dietary product containing live cultures of beneficial bacteria such as lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. These probiotics help populate the gut with healthy microbiomes, improving digestion and supporting the immune function. Kimchi. Kimchi is a traditional Korean dish made from fermented vegetables, typically cabbage or radishes, seasoned with spices like chili pepper, garlic, and ginger. It is rich in probiotics, vitamins, and antioxidants, which contribute to gut health and may reduce inflammation. Sauerkraut. Sauerkraut is another fermented cabbage dish that originated in Germany. Like kimchi, it contains probiotics and fiber, which promote a healthy gut environment and aid in digestion. Sauerkraut is also a good source of vitamin C and K. Kefir. Kefir is a fermented milk drink made by adding kefir grains to milk. It contains a diverse array of probiotic bacteria and yeast, which contribute to gut health by improving digestion, boosting immunity, and reducing inflammation. Kombucha. Kombucha is a fermented tea beverage made by fermenting sweetened tea with a symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast, SCOBY. It is rich in probiotics, organic acids, and antioxidants, which support gut health, improve digestion, and may have detoxifying effects. Tempeh. Tempeh is a traditional Indonesian soy product made from fermented soybeans. It is rich in protein, fiber, and probiotics, making it beneficial for gut health. Tempeh also contains probiotics which feed beneficial gut bacteria and promote their growth. Miso. Miso is a traditional Japanese seasoning made by fermenting soybeans with salt and koji, a type of fungus. It's a good source of probiotics, vitamins, and minerals, and it adds a unique umami flavor to dishes. Miso consumption has been associated with improved digestion and immune function. Bananas. Bananas are a rich source of prebiotic fibers such as inulin and fructooligosaccharides (FOS), which serve as food for beneficial gut bacteria. By promoting the growth of these bacteria, bananas contribute to a healthy gut environment and support digestive health. Garlic. Garlic contains compounds like allicin and fructans, which have prebiotic properties and support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Additionally, garlic exhibits antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects, further contributing to gut health. Jerusalem artichokes. Jerusalem artichokes, also known as sunchokes, are tuber vegetables rich in inulin, a type of prebiotic fiber. Inulin nourishes beneficial gut bacteria, promoting their growth and diversity. Including Jerusalem artichokes in your diet can help support a healthy gut microbiome and improve digestion. Incorporating these gut-friendly foods into your diet can help promote a diverse and balanced microbiome, leading to improved digestion, enhanced immunity, and overall well-being. Whether enjoyed individually or combined in delicious recipes, these foods offer a tasty and nutritious way to support gut health. The fourth point, which is benefit of each food for gut health, including their probiotic content, fiber content, and other nutrients. Yogurts. Probiotic content contains live cultures of beneficial bacteria such as lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, which promotes gut health. Fiber content, generally low in fiber but still contribute to overall gut health due to its probiotic content. Other nutrients. Yogurt is rich in calcium, protein, and vitamins B12 and D, which are important for bone health and overall well-being. 2. Kimchi. The probiotic content, it contains lactic acid bacteria such as lactobacillus kimchi and leuconostoc mesenteroids, which support gut health. Fiber content, high in fiber, which aids digestion and promotes regularity. Other nutrients, rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as antioxidants which have anti-inflammatory properties and support immune function. Sauerkraut. Probiotic content contains lactic acid bacteria such as Lactobacillus plantarum and Pediococcus pentosaccus, which contribute to gut health. Fiber content, high in fiber, which promotes digestive health and support a healthy gut microbiome. Other nutrients, good source of vitamin C, vitamin K, and iron, which are important for immune function and blood clotting. Kefir. Probiotic content contains a diverse array of beneficial bacteria and yeast, including Lactobacillus kefiri and Saccharomyces kefir, which support gut health. Fiber content contains small amount of fiber, which contribute to overall gut health. Other nutrients, good source of calcium, protein, and vitamins B12 and K, which are important for bone health and blood clotting. Kombucha. Probiotic content contains a variety of probiotic bacteria and yeast depending on the fermentation process, which promotes gut health. Fiber content, generally low in fiber, but some varieties may contain small amount due to added ingredients like fruit or herbs. Other nutrients, rich in antioxidants such as polyphenols and vitamins which have anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting effects. Tempeh probiotic content contains beneficial bacteria such as rhizopus oligoporus which support gut health. Fiber content high in fiber including both soluble and insoluble fiber which promote digestive health and regulate blood sugar levels. Other nutrients: excellent source of plant-based protein, vitamins B2 and B3, iron and magnesium which are important for energy production and overall health. 7. Miso probiotic content contains beneficial bacteria such as Aspergillus oryzae and Lactobacillus plantarum which support gut health. Fiber content contains small amount of fiber which contribute to overall gut health. Other nutrients: good source of protein, vitamins B2 and B3, and minerals like copper and manganese which support metabolism and immune function. Bananas fiber content rich in prebiotic fibers such as inulin and fructooligosaccharides (FOS) which feed beneficial gut bacteria and promote their growth. Other nutrients: good source of potassium, vitamin C, vitamin B6 and antioxidants which support heart health, immune function and overall well-being. Garlic fiber content contains prebiotic fibers such as inulin which support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Other nutrients rich in sulfur compounds like allicin as well as vitamin C and B6 which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties and support immune function. Jerusalem artichokes fiber content rich in inulin, a prebiotic fiber that nourishes beneficial gut bacteria and promotes their growth and diversity. Other nutrients: good source of potassium, iron and vitamins B1 and B2 which support energy production and overall health. By adding these foods into your diet, you can provide your gut with a diverse array of nutrients, probiotics and prebiotics that support digestive health, boost immunity and promote overall well-being. The fifth point: tips on incorporating these foods into your diet, including recipes, ideas and meal planning strategies. 1. Yogurt. Tip: enjoy your yogurt as a snack, breakfast or dessert. Choose plain unsweetened yogurt for the highest probiotic content. Recipe idea: make a yogurt parfait with layers of yogurt, fresh fruit and granola. Meal planning strategy: keep yogurt on hand for quick and easy breakfast or snacks throughout the week. Kimchi. Tip: add kimchi to salads, sandwiches or rice bowls for a tangy kick and probiotic boost. Recipe idea: make kimchi fried rice by sauteing cooked rice with kimchi vegetables and a protein of your choice. Meal planning strategy: batch make kimchi at home and store it in the refrigerator for use in various dishes. Sauerkraut. Tip: use sauerkraut as a topping for hot dogs, sandwiches or salads to add flavor and probiotics. Recipe idea: make a Reuben sandwich with sauerkraut, corned beef, Swiss cheese and Thousand Island dressing. Meal planning strategy: incorporate sauerkraut into meal prep bowls for a convenient and nutritious lunch option. Kefir. Tip: blend kefir into smoothies for a creamy texture and probiotic boost. Recipe idea: make a kefir based fruit smoothie with frozen berries, banana, spinach and a splash of honey. Meal planning strategy: use kefir as a base for overnight oats or chai seed pudding for a nutritious grab and go breakfast option. Kombucha. Tip: enjoy kombucha as a refreshing beverage on its own or use it as a mixer in cocktails, mocktails. Recipe idea: make a kombucha spritzer by mixing kombucha with sprinkling water and fresh citrus juice. Meal planning strategy: keep a variety of kombucha flavors stocked in your fridge for a hydrating and probiotic-rich drink option. 6. Tempeh. Tip: use tempeh as a meat substitute in stir fries, tacos or grain bowls for a protein-packed meal. Recipe idea: make tempeh lettuce wraps with marinated tempeh, shredded vegetables and tangy sauce. Meal planning strategy: marinate tempeh in advance and store it in the fridge or freezer for quick and easy meal prep. 7. Miso. Tip: use miso paste to add depth of flavor to soups, stews, marinades and salad dressings. Recipe idea: make miso soup with tofu, seaweed and green onions for a comforting and nourishing meal. Meal planning strategy. Keep miso paste in your pantry for adding umami flavor to a variety of dishes. 8. Bananas. Tip: enjoy bananas as a quick and portable snack or add them to smoothies, oatmeal or yogurt bowls. Recipe idea: make banana pancakes with mashed ripe bananas, eggs and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Garlic. Tip: use fresh garlic to add flavor to savory dishes like pasta, roasted vegetables, soups and sauces. Recipe idea: make garlic roasted potatoes by toasting chopped potatoes with minced garlic, olive oil and herbs before baking. Meal planning strategy: prep garlic cloves in advance by peeling and mincing them, then storing them in an airtight container in the fridge for easy use. 10. Jerusalem artichokes. Tip: roast Jerusalem artichokes as a side dish or add them to salads, soups or grain bowls. Recipe idea: make a Jerusalem artichoke and leek soup with chicken broth, thyme and a splash of cream. Meal planning strategy: include Jerusalem artichokes in your weekly meal plan by incorporating them into diverse recipes for added flavor and nutrition. Incorporating these gut-friendly foods into your diet doesn't have to be complicated. By experimenting with different recipes and meal planning strategies, you can enjoy a variety of delicious and nutritious meals that support your gut health and overall well-being. The 6th point, which is importance of variety and diversity in gut-friendly foods for optimal microbiome health. The microbiome is a diverse ecosystem comprised of trillions of microorganisms, each with its own unique characteristics and functions. Just like any ecosystem, diversity is key to its stability and resilience. When it comes to gut health, consuming a wide variety of gut-friendly foods is essential for promoting a diverse and balanced microbiome. Support microbial diversity. Consuming a diverse range of gut-friendly foods introduces a variety of nutrient fibers and beneficial microorganisms into the gut. Each type of food nourishes different strains of bacteria, fungi, and other microbiomes, helping to support a diverse microbial community. This diversity is important because different microbiomes perform different functions, such as breaking down dietary fibers, producing vitamins, and regulating inflammation. A diverse microbiome is more resilient to disturbances and better equipped to adapt to changes in diet or environment. Promote functional redundancy. Having a diverse microbiome ensures that there are multiple species of bacteria and other microorganisms performing similar functions. This redundancy provides a safety net as it ensures that essential functions such as fiber fermentation or immune regulation can still occur even if certain species are lost or compromised. In contrast, a less diverse microbiome may lack the redundancy needed to maintain optimal function, increasing the risk of dysbiosis and associated health issues. Enhances metabolic flexibility. A diverse microbiome is better equipped to adapt to changes in diet and environmental conditions. Different strains of bacteria have varying abilities to metabolize different types of nutrients, so a diverse microbiome can efficiently process a wide range of dietary components. This metabolic flexibility helps maintain metabolic homeostasis and may reduce the risk of conditions like obesity, insulin resistance, and metabolic syndrome. Support immune function. The gut microbiome plays a critical role in educating and regulating the immune system. Exposure to a diverse array of microorganisms helps train the immune system to distinguish between harmless antigens and potential threats. Additionally, certain species of bacteria produce molecules that modulate immune responses and promote tolerance. A diverse microbiome is better able to support a balanced immune system, reducing the risk of autoimmune disorders, allergies, and inflammatory diseases. Optimizes nutrient absorption. The diverse array of microorganisms in the gut contribute to the breakdown and absorption of nutrients from food. Different species of bacteria produce enzymes that can break down complex carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, releasing nutrients that would otherwise be inaccessible to the host. By promoting microbial diversity, we can enhance nutrient absorption and ensure that our bodies receive the full spectrum of essential nutrients for optimal health and well-being. Consuming a diverse range of gut-friendly foods is essential for promoting optimal microbiome health. By supporting microbial diversity, functional redundancy, metabolic flexibility, immune function, and nutrient absorption, a diverse microbiome contributes to overall health and resilience. We Incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, fermented foods, and other gut-friendly foods into your diet can help nourish and maintain a diverse and balanced microbiome, supporting your long-term health and well-being. Seventh point, which is potential side effects or considerations when adding these foods to your diet, especially for individuals with specific dietary restrictions or medical conditions. Food allergies and sensitivities. Some gut-friendly foods such as yogurt, kefir, and miso may contain allergens like dairy, soy, or gluten. Individuals with known food allergies or sensitivities should be cautious when incorporating these foods into their diet and opt for allergen-free alternatives if necessary. It's essential to carefully read ingredient labels and choose products that are suitable for your dietary needs. Histamine intolerance. Fermented foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, and kombucha contain histamine, a compound involved in allergic reactions. Individuals with histamine intolerance may experience adverse reactions such as headaches, flushing, or gastrointestinal symptoms when consuming these foods. It's important to monitor your body response and limit consumption if you experience any adverse effects. Digestive upset. Some individuals may experience digestive discomfort such as bloating, gas, or diarrhea when first introducing gut-friendly foods into their diet. This is often due to changes in gut microbiota composition and fermentation processes. To minimize digestive upset, it's advisable to start with small servings and gradually increase consumption over time. Additionally, choosing fermented foods with lower levels of probiotics, such as pasteurized varieties, may be better tolerated initially. FODMAP sensitivity. Certain gut-friendly foods such as garlic, onions, and Jerusalem artichokes contain fermentable carbohydrates known as FODMAPs, fermentable oligosaccharides, disaccharides, monosaccharides, and polyols. Individuals with irritable bowel syndrome (IBS) or other gastrointestinal conditions may be sensitive to FODMAPs and experience symptoms like bloating, abdominal pain, and diarrhea. It's recommended to work with a healthcare professional such as registered dietitian to identify trigger foods and develop a personalized dietary plan that minimizes symptoms while still incorporating gut-friendly options. Interaction with medications. Some gut-friendly foods, particularly fermented foods like kombucha and kefir, contain trace amount of alcohol due to the fermentation process. Individuals taking certain medications such as antibiotics, antifungals, or medications that interact with alcohol should exercise caution when consuming these foods to avoid potential adverse effects or interactions. It's advisable to consult a healthcare provider or pharmacist regarding any potential interactions between medications and fermented foods. Impact on blood sugar levels. Individuals with diabetes or insulin resistance should be mindful of the impact of gut-friendly foods on blood sugar levels. Some foods such as bananas and kefir may contain natural sugars that can affect blood glucose levels. It's important to monitor blood sugar levels closely and incorporate these foods into a balanced meal plan that considers carbohydrate intake and portion sizes. Potential weight gain. While gut-friendly foods like yogurt and kefir may be nutritious additions to a balanced diet, they should be consumed in moderation as part of an overall healthy eating pattern. Excessive consumption of high-calorie or sugar-sweetened versions of these foods may contribute to weight gain or hinder weight loss efforts. It's important to choose low-fat or unsweetened varieties and practice portion control to avoid excessive calorie intake. While gut-friendly foods offer numerous health benefits, it's essential to consider potential side effects or considerations, especially for individuals with specific dietary restrictions or medical conditions. By being mindful of allergens, histamine intolerance, digestive sensitivities, FODMAPs, medication interactions, blood sugar levels, and portion sizes, individuals can safely incorporate these foods into their diet to support gut health and overall well-being. Consulting with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian can provide personalized guidance and recommendations based on individual needs and preferences. Incorporating gut-friendly foods into your diet is a powerful way to support the health and balance of your microbiome, which in turn contributes to overall well-being. From yogurt and kimchi to bananas and Jerusalem artichokes, these foods offer a wealth of nutrients, probiotics, and prebiotics that nourish your gut and promote optimal digestive function, immunity, and mood regulation. However, it's important to approach dietary changes mindfully, especially if you have a specific dietary restrictions or medical conditions. Considerations such as food allergies, histamine intolerance, food map, sensitivity, medication interactions, and blood sugar management should be taken into account to ensure a safe and beneficial experience. By embracing variety and diversity in your food choices, you can cultivate a resilient and balanced microbiome that supports your health for years to come. Whether you are enjoying a bowl of miso soup, sipping or kombucha, or adding sauerkraut to your sandwich, each gut-friendly food offers its own unique benefits and flavors. Prioritizing gut health through the inclusion of gut-friendly foods is a proactive step towards enhancing your overall well-being. By making informed choices and listening to your body's cues, you can harness the power of nutrition to nourish your gut, boost your immunity, and support your journey towards optimal health. I am sure you have gotten lots of value from this video. Kindly like this video, share it, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime a video is dropped. Till next time, thank you for watching. Bye.